I thought I'll start vlogging, and this is my first vlog. I hope you guys find it interesting. I've been waiting to do this for a long time, and today is the perfect day. I'm heading to Stanislaus for We Are the World, which is organized by HR College. So let's do this, and I hope this becomes a sustainable thing. I hope you find it interesting and you watch the video. As people on YouTube say, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my channel. Let's go. I know that I'm going to make mistakes because there's no script. I'm being raw. You'll get to see what my life is like. A lot of you show me concern when I record something in the car and you're like, sir, drive karte karte shoot mat karo. I think वो camera inverse होता है. I have Vinod ji with me. He drives. Sorted है by business. यहाँ पे कोई steering wheel नहीं है, तो tension मत लो तुम लोग. मैं जिंदा रहूंगा.
तुम लोगों को इवेंट के बारे में थोड़ा समझा देता हूँ. So the HR College का Rotaract Club organizes We Are the World, and this was their 23rd year. I was invited to be the master of ceremonies. So this is me trying to understand what the role is about. I decided to wear my fragments and mochas. These kids were amazing, यार. जिस तरह से वो लोग ने मेरी help की, and they were explaining everything to me as if I'm a kid.
So for complete the lyrics is, I will basically ask the DJ to play a song, and he'll stop it midway, and I'll be like, now complete the song. I got it. So
Yeah.
Brazil.
Yeah. In that way, you're testing both the participants. When you ask one question to a participant, only that person can answer, not the
Then that way we can elongate the round.
That's
Like
right.
F1, basically. The first event that I'm anchoring, it's called Musical Rhapsody. These are the wonderful organizers. I hope it goes well. I hope you guys have fun.
ये auditorium है इन लोग का. Stanislaus School क्या school है यार. I mean, nostalgic हो गया मैं. Audience was amazing.
Guys, welcome to Musical Rhapsody. Once more cheer for these guys, please. Do you guys know anything about this event? Someone was coming and telling me, sir, I have no idea what we have signed up for. If you like music, I'm gonna ask you questions. If you answer, you get points. There are gonna be categories. If you can sing, that's an added bonus. Any kind of music knowledge is going to help you over here. But the most important thing you guys need is having fun. So have fun, enjoy. That's it. I might just give 5 marks extra to anyone who's actually enjoying themselves. Because I'm gonna play music for you. You have to guess what song it is. So each of you gets 10 points for this. Japan's going first. People in the auditorium.
भाई these kids, I thought it's just another अंताक्षरी, but भाई क्या गाते हैं भाई ये लोग. इतना talent इतने से age में is crazy. ऐसा talent सिर्फ TV पे देखने मिलता. I was lucky to experience it first hand.
Coldplay 2 members, guys. 10 points. तेरे नसीब में वो 10 point extra है ही नहीं.
The audience was very lively. Anytime someone from the audience was answering something, they were getting freebies.
Tell me the movie name.
Gully Boy,
Tell me the actor.
Ranveer Singh.
Tell me the other actor.
Alia Bhatt.
Tell me the other actor. Who's MC Sher in this? Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Wow! How did you know this? I'm so amazed.
यार I was very happy कि इनका sense of humor भी मेरे साथ match कर रहा था. This guy, भाई, the way he raps, क्या rap कर रहा? Ashal, I think he calls himself. He was amazing. The confidence, the swag.
Dude, that was insane. You composed this song. What do you call it? I don't have a. ये aura minus हो गया इसका यार पूरा.
Talent है भाई, talent है. I was very happy to meet him. This event ended. I didn't have any rest because इसके बाद एक और event host करना था. So this went on for at least 2 to 3 hours. This is the OC, the organizing committee. Amazing.
So just got done with Musical Rhapsody. Kids are damn fun. That's why I do this, because I get to see you guys outside the classroom in your element. And right now there's lots to do. It's just 6 o'clock. I have one more event and I hope to see you guys there directly. Guys, this is that aura farming वाला moment जहाँ aura minus भी हो सकता है. कुछ भी गलत हुआ तो ये लड़के ही वजह होगा. इसका फेस दिखा दो कैमरा. मैं अगर गिर भी गया, मम्मी, जियान का आइडिया था ये.
These kids यार, इनके साथ ग्रूव करने में जो मजा आता ना यार, क्लब में उतना मजा नहीं है यार. ये है ना रियल फन. Remo had come. This was insane. Like, Remo had come to grace the occasion, so taking time from his busy schedule, the kids told me कि सर आप भी डांस करना रेमो सर के साथ. मैंने बोला भाई ऑडियंस को भगाना थोड़ी है. Look at him move यार. ये क्या है ये? Like smooth.
We are gonna perform for 6 minutes each. We'll include a traditional dance of the country for 45 seconds to 1 minute. We will also incorporate a trending video in the performance. And most importantly, everyone is gonna have fun. Give it up for them, guys!
भाई ये लोग को देखो, the props, the costumes, the efforts and all of this while managing their regular academics. कुछ स्कूल सपोर्टिव होती है, कुछ स्कूल्स ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं देती है. भाई फिर लेक्चर बंक करते हैं तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. लेक्चर बंक नहीं किया तो प्राइज नहीं मिलता है बच्चों को. ऑलराउंडर बनो. कैसे बनेगा भाई ऑलराउंडर जब तक कि स्कूल सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा. It was fun to see this other side of the kids.
Thank you once again for the 23rd! Thank you everyone for being here!
Guys, with that, it's 10 o'clock. We started at 10 in the morning. Day 1 is over. I still have day 2 and I think I'll continue this vlog tomorrow.
Day 2. I was looking forward to this street dance that I was supposed to host and anchor. Before that, I decided to take a round of the grounds. I ran into a lot of my students. Some of these guys I didn't know personally, but they watched my videos. It was nice running into these kids.
In the class, they are too restrained. Over here, they are in the element. So it's fun.
Since yesterday's entry was in a rickshaw, what are we going to do today?
मेरा आइडिया ये भी था that I'll zip line from there and drop right into the center of that thing. I think I can pull it off. खेती can we arrange a zip line? तो फिर क्या है तो चल के आऊँगा मैं आपसे. T-shirt डे इसका. Playboy, every bunny needs a bunny. Arouse your senses. Auntie, आपने इसका T-shirt पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा? कैमरा पे बोल रहा हूँ CCS वाले लोग ब्राइब करेंगे ट्राई कर रहे हैं. क्या कंट्री का नाम क्या है? फ्रांस. Disqualified. France is disqualified. ब्राजील मालूम है मेरे को शाणे.
यार ये लोग टायर्ड कैसे नहीं होते हैं यार. इतना एनर्जी. आई कांट रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम आई फेल्ट सो एनर्जेटिक. इनका एनर्जी ना रब्स ऑफ ऑन यू.
How does it feel that you influence so many kids?
I feel like it's a huge responsibility. If anyone's looking up to you, honestly, then if you end up doing anything that's frowned on by the societal standards, I think that you get cancelled in today's culture. So it's a lot of responsibility, but I kind of like my life. I like living my life through here. I don't use much of that. I feel as long as you're pure over here, life is good, and that's how I've been blessed with all the love around me. So I like that. It's fun. And kids don't understand this, but I love them more than they think they love me. They went now, so let's go.
This was the moment. Energy, love and pure souls. सब एक साथ. The right mixture.
No prior preparation. मैं सॉन्ग पिक करेगा, तुम लोग बैटल आउट करेगा, क्राउड जितना चीयर करेगा, जजेस को जो पसंद आएगा, those people win. Alright, round 1.
This was a face off यार. I mean ये लोग 9-10 स्टैंडर्ड के, कुछ लोग I think 7th-8th के. क्या है ये, क्या है? Like you feel like you're in a movie.
हर मिनट पे पोपट हो रहा है, जोक्स लैंड नहीं हो रहे हैं, डीजे बजा नहीं रहा है.
ये लोग का ये प्री कोरियोग्राफ्ड इवेंट नहीं था. They were not aware of what track will be played for them. फिर भी ये लोग ने परफॉर्म किया impromptu. कैसे कर रहे हैं यार ये लोग? क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है यार. अमेजिंग था. The untiring spirit.
Are you enjoying? Some bomb energy. And a huge shout out to RCHR to giving these guys a platform, guys.
थोड़ा बहुत टेंशन था बिकॉज इस पॉइंट पे कुछ ना कुछ टेक प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे थे यार. टेक को ना हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, कुछ ना कुछ हिकअप्स आते रहते हैं. बट ठीक है, द क्राउड वाज वेरी सपोर्टिव. नो वन बूड मी डाउन, सो आई वाज ग्लैड. मैंने सोचा था कुछ खराब होगा अगर डिले हो जाएगा तो, बट किड्स वर टू एक्साइटेड बिकॉज दिस वाज द मेन प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. आई थिंक दे वर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
It was damn cool. I'm exhausted. I'm swamped. I hope you guys enjoyed the first vlog. I hope you guys are gonna watch more of my content. If you really like this vlog, then please subscribe to my channel. Like the video. I think that matters some way. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. I'm signing out.